Alright guys, so check this out. First of all, you gotta take every little piece of hardware off of your shell, okay? And the reason why I'm doing mine is, as you can see where the lugs sit, see how the color's faded? It's really faded because being out in the sun. That's one. Two, it was built in 2005, so it's got some wear. And another thing is that this has satin finish. Okay, it's a satin finish. It doesn't have a high gloss, which is what I'm gonna go for. And it's gonna be from lavender to black fade to, I'm gonna try and achieve honey amber to either a dark red fade or a black fade. So we'll see what it comes out like. So I'm gonna start sanding it away. This is only the 10-inch. I still haven't taken the rest of the kit apart. They're still sitting in their cases.